How to log in Home Depot credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open your preferred web browser. Then in the search address bar, type down login Home Depot credit card online account and hit enter and search for it. Now there, all you have to do is simply tap on the official login portal of the Home Depot credit card and simply navigate to it. Now there in the right hand side you can see get started option available there. All you have to do is simply tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be navigated to enter your card information to activate it or simply log into it. Now enter your card information in the asked blank spaces, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.